Hi guys, welcome to Tech Electronics. New best finds of must-haves products from AliExpress haul. All links to the products in the description below the video. I found for you on AliExpress a unique cool pair of headphones. This is the Gravastar Gravity Planet P9P7 wireless Bluetooth headset binaural in-ear beer headset bottle opener call noise reduction game. Wireless Bluetooth headset has a unique style and design that they have 3 different colors of. I have more of a suit, it's a hate darker gunmetal gray color. And then there's one that just has this really the technology that these have. They are using 7.2mm dynamic drivers. Driver, which is delivering probably some of the most dynamic sound that I've heard. We will talk about that once we get to the same. Now as far as the Bluetooth version, it is using Bluetooth 0.2. Actually does not say what Bluetooth protects that is using, but I did find out it is using AAC and SBC, but they also have an ultra low latent musics. And gaming, you can switch this into that mode down on your battery life, and it will also cut down on the amount of distance that you can get between the earbuds and be holding your phone pretty close to you anyway. Now as far as what you're getting inside the box, 4 sets you do get of silicone ear tips, and you're getting one of these very small USB-C cables. Now speaking of the charging, battery life on these are just decent. You could look to get around 6 hours on the earbuds themselves. Little using the case. Now I know that seems like it's a little on the lower end of a Doca. You in mind that is powering a dynamic driver and a balanced armature driver in each earbud, so I kind of understand the trade-off. But if you are nowadays only getting around 6 hours on the earbud itself, is going to be kind of a letdown. And another thing that is also a letdown is these do not have a fast charge feature, so if you do run out of every life, it does not give you a 5 or 10 minute charge. Now moving over to looking at the case itself, is definitely the design that makes this pair stand out. You can see that there is an opening right here in the center of the case. This is actually a bottle of also the Lindsay's is spring loaded, so to actually get into the earbuds themselves you have to push a button for that to open up the latch over the top of the earbuds. And again, I think that just kind of adds to the futuristic look of these. As far as anything else, on the bottom you can see your USB-C input for charging. Actual notification light is being notification bar that is in this opening, and it is nice and bright. It lets you know when you put the earbuds in and let you know once the case is charged, and really now a little bit more than those usual single. Highly recommend these. I like a dynamic sounding earbuds. Amazing mouse that'll organize your workflow in a brand new way. Doca Smart Mouse Touch Display Shortcut Editing Console is a smart mouse to simplify your workspace and improve your reach and navigation through your favorite shortcuts and software tools. Video editing, music composing, VFX, 3D modeling and color editing has never been this simple. Assign all tools you need and access them with ease from a display under your hand. Connect your Doca Smart Mouse to your Windows or macOS based computer via Bluetooth 5.2 or 2.4 GHz RF USB receiver dongle and make your desktop smarter. Smart Mouse can store shortcut profiles up to 5 different computers when connected via Bluetooth. You can easily switch between computers from the mouse menu. When connected to your other systems, your profile data for each computer loads automatically from the Doca software and you can continue your work flawlessly. Doca Smart Mouse allows you to assign most of the tools, filters and effects as shortcuts on your mouse touch display. You can simply lift up your hand, select the shortcut you want to use, just click on it and continue working on your project. Filters, tools and shortcuts can be assigned for quick access and selected with a simple touch. Doca Shortcut Editing Console is a helpful companion on your desktop. On its touch display, you can find all your assigned shortcuts or software tools. With its rotary knobs, you can easily edit shadows, midtones, highlight settings of your videos or photos. Console works flawlessly with mostly used editing and coloring softwares. It has a built-in Lumetri coloring window that matches up with your layers automatically. Connect your shortcut editing console to your Windows or macOS based computer via Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C or magnetic dock on your Doca mousepad. Motorcycle Bluetooth headset with camera, FreedConn or One Plus, is a perfect motorcycle communication system that comes in human design and integrates all excellent properties of similar products. It satisfies all of your communication demands on your trip, such as video recording, capturing and answering incoming call, listening to MP3, receiving voice prompt of GPS navigation, and connection to walkie-talkie. It has Wi-Fi transfer view system, which can transfer your recorded video to mobile. Integrating camcorder, Bluetooth and network intercom, it allows you not only to record beautiful scenery of the tour, but also to keep convenient communication with your companions. Bluetooth motorcycle helmet headset with HD 1080p camera. With 120-degree wide-angle lens, the motorcycle helmet headset will record and capture exciting moments clearly, and the Wi-Fi function allows you to view videos and images recorded by motorcycle intercom. Supports 6 riders group intercom/walkie-talkie with maximum distance up to 3,280 feet/1000 meters, and Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures more stable helmet communication, wireless intercom and Bluetooth connectivity, which can connect 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, so you won't miss any calls while listening to music. FreedConn or OnePlus motorcycle Bluetooth headset hi-fi speakers provide crystal clear sound and high-quality stereo music from your Bluetooth device through advanced CVC intelligent noise reduction technology. The 1500 mAh high-performance lithium battery ultra-long battery life. After 2 hours of full charging, this Bluetooth communication device supports 12 days standby time, 30 hours phone talking, 5 hours video recording, or 48 hours music time, and can be used while charging. It won't affect your riding. Rated IP65 waterproof. LED walled digital clock with USB remote control. Battery backup, mirror function. Temperature display in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Range from 0 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade. Degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit switch. This beautiful wall clock makes your house/office elegant when you hang it on the wall. Make your room a stylish and modern atmosphere. The wall clock has an alarm and snooze, a 2-minute buzzer and a 5-minute time interval in the default snooze mode. Remote control with 4 function touch buttons. 3 levels of brightness, adjust 7 ring lights colors and freely switch between different colors to create a different atmosphere. The LED display will automatically dim the luminance during nighttime. The EVO2 and EVO2 Pro Fly More kit from Autel Robotics Official includes a package of additional accessories for your EVO2 or EVO2 Pro drone. With these items at your disposal, you can extend the amount of time of flying and filming with the EVO2/EVO2 Pro/Dual without worrying about the battery issue. EVO2 lightweight, compact and easy to operate, tackle any work condition with the remote control's large screen and high brightness, which make flying effortless and intuitive. Handle any workload with 42 minutes of flight time and the ability to pilot from up to 8 miles away, equipped with a spotlight megaphone strobe light and RTK module to provide centimeter accurate location data, enabling you to map or perform inspections with remarkable precision. The EVO2 flight performance has been fully optimized thanks to its new power system and carbon fiber structural design. Equipped with an industry-leading dual-frequency image transmission system, the unit also provides stronger anti-interference capabilities and stable transmission of high-definition images up to 1080p. Autel Robotics EVO2 8K records in resolutions up to 7680 by 4320. With 16 times more pixels than HD and 4 times more pixels than 4K, 8K video redefines image detail. The high resolution enables users to zoom deep into a scene and crop an image to 4K without any loss in quality, pushing color further than ever before. With hyperlapse mode, no post-processing is required. The 8K images can be taken straight out of the drone and shared immediately. JPEG and RAW files are recorded simultaneously. Create perfect flight paths and produce accurate, repeatable hyperlapse videos with just one click. Drone equipped with 19 groups of sensors, including 12 visual sensors, the main camera, ultrasound, and dual AMUs, the EVO2 can easily build 3-dimensional maps and plan paths through complex terrain in real time. With an expanded selection of accessories at its disposal, the EVO2 can evolve from a simple imaging tool to a multifunctional flight platform that can adapt to different scenarios. Solar Scroll, the ultimate solar charger, is a powerful compact charging solution for limitless outdoor adventures. Equipped with the most durable, reliable, advanced, flexible solar panel, the Solar Scroll is built to last. It is both lightweight and efficient. You can power up the Solar Scroll either by unrolling the panel and letting it soak up energy from the sun, or by connecting directly to a wall or USB charging outlet. The scroll is packed with state-of-the-art technology which simply outclasses any other products on the market. The scroll is an eco-friendly product which utilizes renewable energy and ensures that all portable devices never run out of power in all places and in all conditions. The Solar Scroll is designed to achieve the best for both urban users and outdoor enthusiasts. It is perfect for hikers, campers, and anyone who loves being off-grid but wishes to remain powered up. You can take it with you at sporting events and enjoy the game whilst the Solar Scroll soaks up the energy from the sun. Scroll is designed to get the best charging efficiency at all times in all weather conditions. Using custom-made maximum power point tracking electronics ensures that the full potential of the solar panel is used to charge the battery or power an external device at any time. Reader Pen is a reading pen with monolingual dictionaries providing word definitions. Supports independent reading and learning. Packed with a wealth of features, this pocket-sized pen scanner helps you get the most out of reading. Reader Pen has empowered millions of people around the world to embrace literature. Thanks to our pen, you will unlock a world of information, imagination, and entertainment. This cool gadget features an intuitive design so people of all ages can simply pick it up and start scanning. It will help you understand and learn more efficiently, whether at home, in school, or work. Scan text with this state-of-the-art device to have words read out with natural speaking voices and defined with highest-tier dictionaries in an instant. Reader Pen also features a voice recorder and supports to store scan text. Use Reader Pen to support independent reading of text with natural voices and to better understand the meaning of words and learn easier. Textbooks, magazines, and their content can all be unlocked with the aid of Reader Pen. The digital highlighter, alongside with the text-to-speech function, supports multisensory learning and aid language retention. Use the included voice recorder to support learner revisions. Students can record pronunciations or objectives from teachers to develop independent learning. UCOMX Nano 3-in-1 wireless charger, magnetic foldable charging station, fast wireless charging pad. 180 degrees folded for use and 360 degrees rotating for charging. Soft silicone makes the wireless charging pad smooth 180 degrees into a phone holder. When charging, the phone is placed horizontally for watching movies and placed vertically for chatting. The charging board is covered with magnetic attractors. Even when shaking, it does not slip. It can be used in the office, home, dining table, and bedroom. 3-mode simultaneous charging. You can use this UCOMX wireless charger to charge your Apple devices. Pay attention to safety and health. Many other wireless chargers do not take anti-micromagnetic measures, and internal radiation will spread and harm the human body. This foldable charger adopts professional magnetic insulation film, no radiation, and can be used by the elderly and children to protect the safety of you and your family. In addition, charging is interrupted when the temperature exceeds 104 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid battery damage and fire. The wireless iPhone charger can accurately detect foreign objects and the indicator light flashes. This wireless charger is compatible with all iPhone 12 to 13 series, and the magnetic attraction function is only for iPhone 12 to 13. Subscribe on my YouTube channel and click on the bell, please. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye. Bye guys.